All right, so here we have Millicent earned $435 last year in interest. If $3,000 was invested at a certain rate of return and $4,500 was invested at a fund with a rate that was 2% lower, find the two rates of interest. All right, so let's let X equal percent for, let's say, 3,000 and Y equal the percent for 4,500. Okay. Now, what do we know? Well, we know that, um, what does it say? This is Y is 2% lower. So Y equals X minus 0.02. Okay. So that's kind of a key thing. We remember we have to convert the percent to a decimal. And what's our other one? Well, we know if we take X times 3,000 plus the 4,500 times Y, we got 435 total dollars. Now we've already got the equation set up here, so we can just plug that right in here and we get 3,000x plus 4,500 times x minus 0.02 equals 435. Now we distribute, and so 3,000x plus 4,500 x minus, and we'll take 0.02 times 4,500. Well, those two zeros are going to cancel those two, so 2 times that, that's going to give me 90. And that's equal to 435. Now, 4,500 plus 3,000, that's going to be 7,500x. If I add 90 here, that's going to be equal to 525. Now I divide by 7,500. And here's another case where it's going to be quicker if I just go to the calculator. So 525 divided by 7,500. And we get 0.07. And 0.07 is going to be what my X is. And that's what? That's 7%. Okay. And Y is equal to, well, it's equal to 0.07 minus 0.02, which is equal to 0.05, which is 5%. Okay. So 7% for 3,000, 5% for 4,500. Okay. Now, does that work? Is our Y equal to X minus 0.02? Well, 0.05 equals 0.07 minus 0.02. Yes, that one is true. It works for that equation. All right. So what do we do now? Now, okay, so it worked on that one. Now we take 3,000 times X, which is 0.07, 0.00021, move it over 2, so 210. And then we take our other one, which is 0.05 times 4,500. And so we'll just take 4,500, 0, that's 25. And then we bring that down, that's 20. And so that's 225.00, point there. And so 210, that's 435. And that's what it was supposed to equal. So that is the correct interest rates for our two accounts given the information that was in the problem. All right, so we have a farmer has some cream, which is 21% butterfat, and some which is 15% butterfat. How many gallons of each must be mixed to produce 60 gallons of cream, which is 19% butterfat? All right, well, let's let X equal the first one, 21%. And let's let Y equal the second one, 15%. And now that's the amount. And what are we? Gallons, 21%. And this is in gallons, and this is in gallons. So if we take X plus Y, that's supposed to be equal to 60. All right. Now what we're going to do is we're going to take each one of those values times the percent in decimal form. So x is going to be 0.21x plus 0.15y equals 0.19 times 60. Okay, well, 0.19 times 60 gives me 0. That's 54. That's going to be 11. Move it over twice. That's going to be 1140. So this is, I don't know, we just have that there. Now we have to think about what we're going to do. Let's substitute in this case because it's easy. Let's let x equal negative y plus 60. And now we can take that and plug it in here. 0.21 times negative y plus 60. And then plus 0.15y equals, now we have our 11.4. Now we have to distribute. And now we have to take 0.21 times 60. 0, 6, 12, move it over twice, that's 12.60. So negative 0.21y plus 12.60 plus 0.15y equals 11.4. Now we'll subtract 12.60, subtract 12.6, and so 12.6 minus 11.4, that's going to be 1.2. And here we have 21 minus that, so it's going to be a negative 0.06y. Now divide by negative 0.06. I have to move it over 2 decimals here, and so we move it over 1, 2. And so we have 6 goes into 120, 20 times. And so it looks like y is equal to the 20 gallons of 15%. And so x has to be what? Well, 60 total minus 20, that's going to be 40 gallons of 21%. Now, does that add up? Well, 20 plus 40 equals 60, so first equation works. Now, 0.21 times 40, so 0.21 times 40, 0.48, move it over twice, 8.4, and then we have to take 0.15 times y, which was 20, 0.003, 2 times. So now we have 8 plus 3 is 11.4, and that's what we found out was the answer. So yes, those are the correct values for 20 gallons of the 15% and 40 gallons for the 21%. Okay. All right, let's stop there.